McMinnville, Oregon. Wine hamlet, UFO hotspot, home to the world's largest wooden airplane. But let's start back at the beginning. This is the back bar of Nick's Italian Cafe, where Oregon winemakers have gathered since the 70s, whose stories these walls could tell. Speaking of wine, you can learn about it in ingles or in español at the oldest winery around these rolling hills, because a Pinot is a Pinot in any language. Wine, wine, wine. Do you see a theme here? Over at the Hi-Fi Wine Bar, you can have your gamay with a side of Coltrane. You're gonna want some food soon, and who doesn't love free samples? How about a wine, bread, coffee, jam, hot sauce, and pickles sampler at Mac Market? Maybe you're more of a beer person. Not to brag, but Fourland Brewery has won its fair share of awards. And speaking of awards, are those Michelin stars, Matthew? At Okta, their 15-course menu starts 7 miles away at the farm. Pretty out here, isn't it? And just a short drive from here is the Oregon Coast Range, full of mushrooms, fruits, and berries for the picking. That's Danny, our local jam and pastry guy. Not sure if you can tell by his foraging stance, but he's a pretty good skater too. Back in town, you can hit a local festival to commune with aliens, geek out about airplanes, or just spend the day strolling down 3rd Street. And when you're ready to turn in, they'll greet you with a glass of bubbly at the Atticus Hotel. Oh, hey Erin! She's the co-owner of this luxury love letter to McMinnville. She's also locally grown. So come for the wine varietals, or come for the people varietals. Just come meet us in McMinnville.